In this video, we're going to talk about how scammers befriend people on social media just to deceive them, how they play with emotions to manipulate victims, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself from these online traps. We'll break down a real-life case that shows exactly how these fraudsters operate and how one wrong move can turn into a nightmare. Friends, this video is extremely important. Share it with your family, friends, and everyone you know as soon as possible. Social media is a huge part of our lives now, but do you realize how many people are falling victim to online scams every single day? Watch this video till the end and make sure to spread this message so no one you care about becomes the next target. Let me tell you about Rajesh. He was very active on social media, had hundreds of online friends, and loved making new connections. One day, he received a friend request from a girl named Priya. Her profile picture looked great, so without thinking twice, he accepted the request. Soon, they started chatting daily, having long conversations, and Rajesh began to trust her completely. A few weeks later, Priya messaged Rajesh, saying, "My brother is very sick and has been admitted to the hospital. I need to deposit money for his treatment, but I don't have enough funds. Can you send me 25,000 Indian rupees?" Rajesh didn't think twice, he immediately transferred the money. But as soon as he did, Priya vanished. Her phone was turned off, her social media accounts were deleted, and she was gone without a trace. Now, think about this: if Rajesh had been a little more careful, would he have lost his money? Social media friendships with strangers can sometimes lead to serious consequences. Scammers are constantly coming up with new ways to trap innocent people. Please, never trust someone online without verifying their identity first. Share this video with as many people as possible. Post it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and any other platform you use. This information could save someone from being scammed. Especially make sure your parents, grandparents, younger siblings, and friends are aware of these dangers. Awareness is the best defense. If you or someone you know has ever been in a similar situation, share your experience in the comments below. The more people share, the more others can stay alert and avoid these scams. Let's fight cybercrime together and make sure this information reaches as many people as possible.